Jai Sri Ram. I am Narendra Modi Sarkar fan and BJP Karyakarta. Recently, our Narendra Modi sir met the Germany Prime Minister Angela Merkel, and our Narendra Modi sir met the USA Prime Minister Joe Biden and Donald Trump sir, and recently our Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir met the France Prime Minister Jean Castex, and our Narendra Modi sir met lately Prime Minister Mario Draghi and Giuseppe Conte, and our Narendra Modi sir met the Australia Prime Minister Scott Morrison, and our Narendra Modi sir met the Sweden Stefan Löfven to discuss please establish electric trucks manufacturing unit in India. India don't have electric trucks and electric cars like USA Mack truck, Australia base Mack. Please establish Mack truck in India automobile industry. Mack B380, Mack B75, Mack B61, Mack CH613, Mack CH688, Mack Milt truck, Mack AC series, Mack B series, Mack CH600, Mack R series, Mack Super, Uniclass, Mack Road Train. Please establish Mack truck manufacturing unit in India. Italy placed Iveco truck. Please establish Iveco truck manufacturing plant. Establish manufacturing plant in India. Light medium S series jets. Heavy N series Eurostar, Powerstar, S-Way, Tracker, Iveco bus, daily minibus, Europolis, minibus, metro train bus, Crossway, trolley bus, Iveco electric bus. Please establish Iveco trucks, electric trucks manufacturing plant in India, and US based International Lone Star. Please establish International Lone Star truck in India. International Lone Star tractor truck, International Pro Star, International LT625, International 4700 SDT. Please establish an International Lone Star truck company in India. Please establish Freightliner Cascadia, US based Freightliner Cascadia diesel trucks and electrical trucks established in manufacturing plant in India. Freightliner Cascadia, Freightliner Iconic ST, Freightliner New Cascadia, MT series, MT45, MT55, Freightliner Spender, FS65, S262, Freightliner medium duty business class, Agrosi FL series, FLD series, C series, Century class Cascadia. Please establish Freightliner Cascadia, Columbia CL112, Freightliner electric truck, Coronado 114. Please establish all these Freightliner US based electric truck diesel truck manufacturing plant in India automotive industry. Please establish Renault Truck, France based Renault Truck factory manufacturing plant established in India, like Renault Master Truck, Renault Maxi T, Renault Truck D, Renault Truck C, Renault Truck K, Renault Truck T, Renault Specialized, Renault models, Renault PR100, Renault PR180, Renault R312, Renault Tractor Tracer. Please establish all these Renault truck, Renault electric trucks, Renault Evo, Cordless, Oliveria, Road various. Please establish Renault truck factory in India. Please Please establish Mercedes-Benz Actros SLT manufacturing plant in India. Please establish MAN TGX MAN electric truck manufacturing plant. Establish a manufacturing plant in India. Please establish Volvo electric truck, heavy duty electric truck, Volvo FMX electric truck, Volvo FM electric, Volvo FS electric, Volvo FL electric, Volvo FE electric, Volvo VNR electric truck, Volvo 7900 electric bus, Volvo trucks, Volvo CEO Martin Lund Street. Please establish Volvo electric truck manufacturing unit in India, Bangalore. Scania trucks. Please establish Scania electric trucks established in India. Scania R730, Scania R series, 3 series, Scania 2 series, Scania 4 series, Scania PGRT range, Scania PGRS range, Scania cab over engine trucks, Scania conventional cab trucks, Scania launch. Please establish Scania highway electric trucks manufacturing Scania electric trucks. Establish manufacturing plant in India. Please establish Shockwave USA based Shockwave jet truck, Shockwave monster truck, Shockwave semi truck, jet power truck with 6300 bhp. Please establish Shockwave electric trucks manufacturing plant in India. Shockwave CEO David Smith. Please establish Shockwave trucks manufacturing plant in India. Kenworth trucks US based United States USA based. Please establish Kenworth truck manufacturing plant in India. Kenworth W990 truck, Kenworth W900 truck, Kenworth T880 truck, Kenworth C500 truck, Kenworth K270 370 truck, Kenworth bus production also. Please establish Kenworth trucks manufacturing plant in India automotive industry. Please establish all these USA based, Sweden based, Germany based, France based electric trucks established in India automotive industry. Thank you.